Yes, Radha. So you can see the presentation now.
Yeah.
Today we will try some more types of questions. Okay. Write a question.
Sir,
Hmm.
can you explain the allegation formulas?
The two formulas we discussed yesterday, na?
That was for mixture, no?
Uh, as you can see here, as I told you yesterday, mixture is mainly mixing of things, right, or the substance. But when we will present it in the form of or by the use of mathematical formula, okay, then that will be known as the allegation. Okay, so the two formulas which we learnt yesterday, that is the allegation. Okay, so when we will discuss it, while we will do the problems, at that time you can easily get where you have to apply those formulas. Okay,
Yes.
is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, can I continue?
Yeah.
Yesterday we solved the questions of mixtures only. Okay, today we will do the questions of mixtures and alligation also. Okay, first start with the mixtures questions. Okay, so write a question. An alloy contains an alloy contains an alloy contains copper, comma, zinc, comma, nickel. Okay,
Sir,
copper.
contains
An alloy contains copper, zinc, and nickel. Zinc and nickel. In the ratio of 5 is to in the ratio of 5 is to 3 is to 2. 5 is to 3 is to 2. 5 is to 3 is to 2. Full stop. The quantity of nickel, the quantity of nickel that must be added, that must be added to 100 kg, to 100 kg of this alloy, to 100 kg of this alloy, 100 kg of this alloy, to have the new ratio, to have the new ratio 5 is to 3 is to 3 is question mark. 5 is to 3 is to 3 is question mark. Please try this question. It's too easy. You have to apply the same concepts and the same trick which we used yesterday. It's Radha?
10 kg.
10 kg. Very good. So how you have solved it?
Sir, so the old ratio is 5 is to 3 is to 2, and the
Very
new
good.
is 5 is to 3 is to 3. So
3.
5 plus 3 plus 2 is 10.
Very good.
Then the copper and zinc are same, so we have
Hmm.
so 2 and 3
Good
plus
observation.
1.
Hmm. As here there is
1 is
no
copper, 1 is X.
as here we didn't adding we are not adding copper or zinc, right? So it's mean we have to keep it same. If it is not same, then we have to make it equal, है ना? Okay, as we make in the yesterday's class, okay, by taking the LCM or the multiplication other things. So as here they are same, it's mean it is correct. Okay, so when you will add it, we will get 11. Now as here we are adding nickel, okay, and in the ratio also you can see it is increased by 1 unit, right? And it is saying added to 100 kg of this alloy, means the value of 100. Okay, whose value is giving 100?
10.
10. Very good, dear. So it is, as you can see, 10 times. It's mean we have to multiply this one by 10. So we will get the answer 10 kg. Okay, too simple. Is it clear? So you can get, you can do this type of questions now.
Yes, sir.
If it will ask for the final quantity of the alloy, you can do, right? You have to just multiply 11 by 10. If it will ask about the quantity of copper or zinc, you can do it. You have to just multiply it by 10, 5 into 10 or 3 into 10. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now write a next type of question. Two numbers are in the ratio 2 is to 3. uh, okay, wait, this is the question of ratio. Okay, okay, if you want to try you can try it. Okay, no problem. So two numbers are in the ratio 2 is to 3. If 2 is subtracted from the first and 2 is added to the second, if 2 is subtracted from the first and 2 is added to the second, the ratio becomes 1 is to 2. The ratio becomes 1 is to 2. The sum of the number is. Can you try this question?
So the
So the
ratio
ratio
becomes
becomes
1 is to 2.
sir will
so
be
it will be
30.
30.
Hmm. It will be
30.
30. Very good. So how you have solved it?
Sir, for this I took X and salt.
Hmm. Good. So here we will take it 2x and 3x, right?
Yeah.
2x and 3x, है ना? And as here it is saying कि we have to subtract 2 from the numerator and we have to add the 2 in denominator. So the equation will be 2x minus 2 divided by 3x,
Plus 2.
2x minus 2 divided by 3x plus 2, right? It will be 1 by 2. Okay, so here you have to solve the x, which you will get as 6, right? Here we have to find the sum, first number and the second number. It is 2x plus 3x. Okay,
Combination.
so if you want to find the separate, you can find it 12 and 8 and then add it, है ना, 30. Otherwise you can also do one thing, 2 plus 3 it will be 5, so 5x, right? So 5 into 6 it will be 30. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now write a question of the mixture. Okay, a trader has 40 kg of rice. A trader has 40 kg of rice. A trader has 40 kg of rice, comma, a part of which he sells at 28% profit. He sells at 28% profit. He sells at 28% profit and rest at 12% loss. 12% loss. Okay. 12% loss. Full stop. On the whole, his loss is 8%. On the whole, on the whole, his loss is 8%. What is the quantity? What is the quantity sold at 28% profit? What is the quantity sold at 28% profit and that at 12% loss? And that at 12% loss. This is the question. This is the question of the mixture. Please try it. Okay. Okay, Shraddha, no problem. Let's see here. As you can see, the trader has 40 kg of rice, right? In that one,
Sir,
uh, hello, am I audible?
yeah,
Okay. So as here it is saying the trader has 40 kg of rice, right? So as here it is saying the trader has 40 kg of rice, right? In that he sell some rice at 20% profit, okay, 28% profit, and the rest rice at the loss of 8%. Okay, is it clear or is there any doubt till
so
here?
12%, right?
Sorry, yeah, 12%, sorry. um, Here, so when he sell the some rice at 28% profit and the rest rice at 12% loss, so on it he gets a total of loss of 8%. Okay, he face a loss of 8% on the total. Okay, means on the whole. Okay, so here we have to find the quantity of the rice which he has sold at 28% profit and 12% loss. Okay, so let's see here how we will do it. Here we will write 28% as it is profit, so we will write it in the form of plus, okay, or the positive. Here it's loss, so we will write minus 12%. Okay, now we will do it like this. Here the on the whole he face a loss of 8%, so here we will do minus 8. Okay, now we have to solve it. So as we learnt in the previous lecture, the first lecture, in the first lecture, that this quantity we get by subtracting this one, right? So here we have to subtract these two quantities and these two quantities. Okay, so when we will subtract minus 12 like this, minus 12 minus 8, what it will be? Minus 12 minus minus plus 8, so it will be minus 4, right? Is that clear? Okay.
Yeah,
So here it will be, you can write just the 4. Okay. Just the 4. Now here it will be 28 minus minus 8. What it will be? 28 plus 8, right? So it will
36.
be 36. Very good. So here it will be in the ratio of 4 is to 36. Okay. It's mean he sell the 4 unit on 28% profit and 36 unit on 12% loss. So in this way, he faced a loss of total minus 8%. Okay, the 8% loss on the whole. Okay, so as here, when you will add this two, you want to cut it, you can cut it. It will be 1 is to 9. Okay, so it will be 10. It's mean the 10 is the total quantity of rice and this value is given as a 40, right?
Yeah.
Is it clear? It's mean it is 4 times 40 kg na. So it is 4 times, and we have to find the quantity of rice which has been sold at 28%. So here we have to multiply 1 by 4, so it will be 4 kg. It's mean he sold 4 kg rice at 28% profit, and we have to find the quantity of the rice which has been sold at 12% loss. It's mean we have to multiply this 9 by 4, so it will be 4 9 ja 36 kg. It's mean 36 kg rice has been sold at a 12% loss, so that he get a total loss of 8%. In this way you have to solve this type of questions, okay?
Oh, so the first thing you gave under mixture, that
Yeah,
that's how.
this is the question is mainly based on the mixture, and those questions we were solving before it was based on the concept of ratio and mixture, okay? So
Okay.
that's why we were solving those question in the form of ratio and also using the concept of mixture, okay? But here this question is totally based on the mixture only. Is it
Okay.
clear?
Yeah.
Now you got now how you will solve this type of questions.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Please note down it. We will try some more types of questions. Okay. Okay, Shraddha. Write a next question. Just wait a minute. Okay, write a question of allegation.
Yes, sir.
A 25-liter cylinder, a 25-liter cylinder, 25-liter cylinder contains a mixture of oxygen and nitrogen. Contains a mixture of oxygen and nitrogen, comma, the volume of oxygen being 25% of the total volume. The volume of the oxygen being 25% of the total volume. A 25-liter cylinder contains a mixture of oxygen and nitrogen. The volume of oxygen being 25% of total volume. Full stop. A few liter of the mixture is a few liter of the mixture is released, and an equal amount of nitrogen and an equal amount of nitrogen is added, full stop. Then the same amount of the mixture then the same amount of the mixture same amount of the mixture the same amount of the mixture as before is released as before is released and replaced by nitrogen for the second time. Then the same amount of the mixture as before is released and replaced by nitrogen for the second time. For the second time, full stop. As a result of the oxygen, as a result As a result, the oxygen contained the oxygen contained becomes 9% of the total volume. The oxygen contained becomes 9% of the total volume. Full stop. How many liter of mixture? How many liter of mixture? How many liter of mixture is released each time? Is released each time. I'm repeating again. A 25-liter cylinder contains a mixture of oxygen and nitrogen. The volume of oxygen being 25% of the total volume. A few liter of the mixture is released and an equal amount of nitrogen is added. Then the same amount of the mixture as before is released and replaced by nitrogen for the second time. As a result, the oxygen content becomes 9% of the total volume. How many liter of mixture is released each time? Can you solve it?
So do you use a second formula for this?
No, you have to use the first formula, na?
Sir, but that is for remaining liquid.
No, no, dear. See here. In the first one, what we learned? Ki from a container having X units liquid, right? Suppose Y units are taken out. As here, the oxygen has been taken out, okay? And replaced by the water. And here in the question, it is replaced by the nitrogen, right? So after an operation, in the question, the value of n is 2. After 2 operation, the quantity of pure liquid or remaining amount of pure liquid. Here it is given na in the question, the after it the quantity of the oxygen is 9% of the total volume. Okay. So here we have to find the how many liter of the mixture is released. As here in the formula, it was remaining quantity of pure liquid, right? uh,
Yeah.
Here we have to use the both formula. Okay, remaining oxygen.
Sir, I didn't understand the difference between the two situations.
Okay, first understand it. The formula was this one na,
Yeah.
remaining
Remaining pure liquid is equal
amount,
to initial
yes,
quantity
of,
into 1 minus quantity
yes,
taken
we
out
will use
by
this
initial
formula. Okay,
quantity.
quantity, it is initial quantity, right? Initial quantity, it is 1 minus quantity taken out, right? Quantity taken out will be divided by initial quantity, right?
Yeah.
Initial quantity. And here we have to do the power n, right? This is the formula. Okay. As here it is asking how many liter of the mixture is released. Okay. Means we have to find this value. The remaining amount of pure liquid, we know it, 9%. Initial quantity, we know it, it is 25%. 1 minus quantity taken out, we have to find it. Total volume of the vessel means initial quantity. Okay, that is 25. So this formula become as, for this question, remaining oxygen. Okay, okay, it will be original oxygen, original quantity of the oxygen. Okay, I am writing in the short. oxygen, it will be equal to 1 minus volume of each time released, each time released or add, okay, or added. It will be divided by total volume, okay, total volume of vessel, right? And here we have to do the power n. So this formula we will use here, okay? So as here the remaining oxygen is 9%, here the original oxygen it was 25%. 1 minus volume taken out each time, let it be x divided by total volume of the vessel, which is 25. This process has been repeated for 2 times, so here we will do 2, okay? Let's see here, 9% divided by 25%, okay? It will be 1 minus x divided by 25 whole square. After this the percentage will be cancelled, because here we have to do divide by 100 and here 25 divided by 100, so 100 will be cancelled. It will be directly 9 by 25, okay? And this side it is square, so when this square will come in the another side, it will come under root, right? So root under 9 by 25 will be equal to 1 minus x by 25, right? And this will be equal to 3 by 5. It will be 25 minus x by 25, right? Now you can directly cancel it, 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25. Otherwise you can do like this, into 25 equal to 25 minus x. So in 5, 5 times, 3 5s are 15 equal to 25 minus x. And here x will be 25 minus 15, so it will be 10-liter answer. Okay, is it clear or any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, then please note down it. When you will done that, and please tell me, I will scroll it, okay? Yes, Radha, write a question. In two alloy A and B,
Sir, what?
in two alloy A and B, in two alloy A and B, the ratio of zinc to tin, zinc to tin is 5 is to 2, is 5 is to 2. Zinc to tin is 5 is to 2 and 3 is to 4 respectively. 3 is to 4 respectively. Full stop. In two alloy A and B, the ratio of zinc to tin is 5 is to 2 and 3 is to 4 respectively. 7 kg of alloy A, 7 kg of alloy A, of alloy A and 21 kg of alloy B, 21 kg of alloy B are mixed together, are mixed together to form a new alloy, to form a new alloy. To form a new alloy. What will be the ratio of, what will be the ratio of zinc and tin in the new alloy? Zinc and tin in the new alloy. I'm repeating. In two alloy A and B, the ratio of zinc to tin is 5 is to 2 and 3 is to 4 respectively. 7 kg of the alloy A and 21 kg of the alloy B are mixed together to form a new alloy. What will be the ratio of zinc and tin in the new alloy? Please try it.
Sir, will it be 1 is to 1?
1 is to 1. Yes, very good. So how you have solved it?
Sir, I took X and solved.
X.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see here the short tricks. Okay. Just wait a minute. It's lacking. Wait a minute. See, as according to question, in 7 kg of alloy A, the zinc is zinc to tin, right? It is 5 is to 2, right? Zinc is to tin is 5 is to 2, or we can say that zinc to tin is 5. It's mean, as you can see here, the total value is 7, right? The total value is 7. In 7, 5 unit is zinc and 2 unit is tin, right? So here we will write 5 by 7 multiply. Here we will do it 7, okay, for the total value. So it will be 5 kg and tin will be 2 by 7, the part of the tin, that is 2 by 7 multiply 7. This 7 is the total value, okay, the total value which has been given in the question, 7 kg of the alloy, okay. So it will be 2 kg. Is it clear till here? Now for the next one. Now in 21 kg of alloy of B, zinc is to tin is 3 is to 4, right? Zinc to tin. It's mean zinc will be, the total is 7, right? In 7, 3 unit is zinc and 4 unit is tin. So it will be 3 by 7 multiply. The total quantity of the alloy is 21 kg. So here we will multiply it by 21. 7 in 3 times, so it will be 9 kg. And tin will be, the value of the tin will be 4 by 7 multiply 21. 7 3 is 21 and 4 3 is 12 kg. It's mean in 21 kg of alloy, 9 kg is zinc and 12 kg is tin, okay. So the required ratio will be, so required ratio of zinc is to tin, okay. So as here we are adding this two mixture, right? What will be the new ratio of the zinc and the new alloy? Okay, so here we are adding. So add the quantity of the zinc. In the first one it is 5 plus in the second one it is 9 is 2. In the first one the tin was 2 kg plus in the second it is 12 kg. So here it will be 5 plus 9 14 is to 14. So when you will solve it, 14 14 cancel, 1 is to 1. So the new ratio will be 1 is to 1. Is it clear or any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then please note down it. When you will done, then please tell me. I will scroll it. So write the next question now. three vessels, three vessels whose capacities are 3 is to 2 is to 1, 3 is to 2 is to 1, completely filled with milk mixed with water, completely filled with milk mixed with water, full stop. The ratio of the milk and water, the ratio of milk and water in the mixture of the vessels are, in the mixture of vessels are, milk is to water, okay, 5 is to 2, comma 4 is to 1, comma 4 is to 1, respectively. The ratio of mixture and water in the mixture of vessels are 5 is to 2, 4 is to 1, 4 is to 1, respectively. Take 1 by 3 of the first, take 1 by 3 of the first, means 1 by 3 part of the first, comma 1 by 2 of the second, 1 by 2 of the second, and 1 by 7 of the third, and 1 by 7 of the third, 1 by 7 of the third, mixed, 1 by 7 of third mixed, comma a new mixture kept in a new vessel, a new mixture kept in a new vessel is prepared, in a new vessel is prepared, full stop. The percentage of the water in the new mixture is, the percentage of the water in the new mixture is, please try this question. You are getting 24%.
Yeah.
Wow, very good dear. So how you got it?
Sir, first you have to do from each vessel how
Mm-hmm.
much quantity was taken. So 1 by 3 into like 3 to 1, so 3 liters, so 1 liter, 1 liter, then 1 by 7 liter, then you have to find the volume of the new mixture, so that will be 1 plus 1 by 7, which is 15 by 7.
Okay.
Then you have to then the water which has been added from
Mm-hmm.
each mixture,
Mm-hmm.
so will be 2 by 7 liters, 1 by
Okay,
5, 1 by 5.
okay, Sradha, I got it.
Yeah.
I got it. But this method take too much time, right? As you take five more than 5 minutes, right? So here I have a short tricks, the two tricks. One is the long trick, and the another one is the direct trick. Okay, a very short trick. So first of all, we will check it by the long one. Okay, this is the trick, but it's goes little more. It's take little more step. Okay, as here milk is to water. In the first one, it is 5 is to 2, 4 is to 1, and 4 is to 1, right? Here it is 7, 5, and 5. As here it is saying ki the vessel whose capacity are 3 is to 2 is to 1, okay, completely filled with milk and water in the ratio of milk and water in the mixture of the vessel 5 is to a taken, okay. So as here we have to first make the quantities equal, okay, the final quantities of the vessel. So here we have to take the LCM of these numbers. Okay, we will take the LCM of 755, which will be equal to 35, right? So as you can see here, to make it 35, this 7, we have to multiply it by 5. We have to multiply it by 7 and we have to multiply this one by 7. So this quantity will become 25 is to 10 equal to 35. 4 sevens are 28 is to 7, and here 4 sevens are 28 is to 7, and here 35 35. So our first step should be to make it equal. Okay, now here, as the capacity of vessels are in the ratio 3 is to 2 is to 1, so we will multiply these values by 3 to 1. Okay, so we will multiply these values. 25 is to 10, 28 is to 7, 28 is to 7, which will be 35, 35, 35. We have to multiply the first one by 3, the second one by 2, and the third one by 1. Okay, so here we will get it 75 is to 30, then by 2, so it will be 56 is to 14, and 28 is to 7, right? And here it will be 105, 70, and then 35. Okay, now as in the question it is saying, now since 1 by 3 of first, then 1 by 2 of second, and 1 by 7 of third has been taken out, right? So we have to multiply these ratios by these fractions. Okay, so it will be 75 is to 30, 56 is to 14, 28 is to 7, and this will be 105 equal to uh, it will be 70 na, equal to 35. So we have to multiply this one by 1 by 3, this one by 1 by 2, and this one by 1 by 7. Okay, so simply we will do it, and we will get it as when we will multiply it by 3, right? So 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 15, 25 is to 10 equal to 105 divided by 3, it will be 35. Here 56 by 2, 28 is to 7 equal to 35, and here it will be 4 is to 1 equal to 5, right? Is it clear? Now required percent. Okay, required percent of water, required percent of water in the mixture. Okay, in mixture is, it will be, as here add the waters. Okay, it is 10 plus 7 plus 1 divided by the total quantity, 35 for the first one, 35 for the second one, plus 5 for the third one, multiply by 100. Now you have to solve it, so that you will get 10 plus 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 18 divided by 75 into 100. Okay, 17, yes. So when you will solve it, you will get the 24% as the answer. Okay, so in this one we,
So this is more calculation.
yes, this is more calculative, like, right? Because here we did all the things step by step. First we make it equal, then we will multiply by the volume of the vessel, okay, the capacity of the vessel. Then we multiply the ratio by the quantity which we have taken out, and then we will add it. Okay, but the direct method is you can directly do all these things in only one step like this directly. See here, in the first it is given milk is to water. See here how we will do it. Okay, in the first it is given 5 is to 2, then 4 is to 1, and 4 is to 1, right? So here it is 7, 5, and 5. Let's see here. You have to just observe it. What I am doing. Okay. First, as we have to find the LCM, right? So here we will find the LCM. Okay. LCM. LCM of 755, which will be 35, right? To make it equal, we have to multiply it by 5 by 7 multiplied by 7. The second step which we did here in the above, we did this, we will do the second step in this step. Okay, so in the second step we have to multiply these values by the given capacity है ना, the ratio, which is 3 is to 2 is to 1. After this we have to multiply it by the quantity which we have taken at, which is 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 7, right? Now here let's see, 3 3 will be cancelled, 2 2 will be cancelled, 7 7 will be cancelled, right? So we have to multiply the final things. Okay, you can directly do it, as here 5 has been left. So here you have to multiply the 5, the first one by 5, the second one by 7, and the third one by 1. Okay, or to make it more short, what you can do here, you just need the ratio of water na. So just multiply 5 by 2, 7 1, and here 1 into 1, and then add it and divide it by these values. Okay, 5 into 7, 7 into 5, and 1 into 5. Okay, so directly you can do here, but I am showing it step by step. 5 is to 2, 4 is to 1, again 4 is to 1, which is 7 5 5. You have to multiply this by 5, this by 7, this by 1. You can step this process. Okay, so it will be 25 is to 5 to 10, 4 7 is 28 is to 7, 4 is to 1, and it will be 35 35 5. So now required percentage of water in the mixture will be, add these things, 10 plus 7 plus 1 divided by 35 plus 35 plus 5 into 100. When you will solve it, you will get 24% as the answer. Okay, so when you will do this method, you can skip these things, this step and this one step. These two steps you can skip, directly you can do with this step. Okay, these steps you have to just do in the mind. Okay, as here we need for the water, so we will multiply 5 into 2, this 10, then 7 into 1 plus 7, 1 into 1 plus 4 divided by the total quantity, 5 into 7 35, 7 into 5 35, 1 into 5 5, and multiplied by 100. So these steps you can skip, this two. Okay, this is the shortcut method or the direct method. Is it clear or any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so do you have noted it?
Yeah.
Okay, for today I keep till here. In the next class we will practice some more questions based on the mixture and alligation. There are more types. Okay, there are many more which we have to practice. Then you can only then you can become the confident. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So there are more types. I think it will take some more classes, one or two, more than two, I think. Okay. So we should We have to keep the patience, and slowly we will complete or cover all that patterns or the types of questions. Okay, is it clear, Sradha? And practice some
Yes.
more question by yourself also. Okay, so
Yes.
for today that's all. Thank you, take care.